Question number 1. Which is the longest river entirely within India? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Narmada. D. Mahandi. Correct answer is A. Godavari. Question number 2. Which pass connects Leh with Srinagar? A. Rohtan Pass. B. Jojila. C. Nathula. D. Shipkila. Correct answer is B. Jojila. Question number 3. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Correct answer is C. 8. Question number 4. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Dal Lake. B. Wular Lake. C. Loktak Lake. D. Vembanad Lake. Correct answer is B. Wular Lake. Question number 5. The highest peak in South India is A. Anamudi. B. Dodhabetta. C. Mahendragiri. D. Mullainagiri. Correct answer is A. Anamudi. Question number 6. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahandi. Correct answer is B. Godavari. Question number 7. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by which rivers? A. Godavari Krishna. B. Ganga Brahmaputra. C. Narmada Tapti. D. Mahandi Suvarnarekha. Correct answer is B. Ganga Brahmaputra. Question number 8. Which state has the longest coastline in India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Question number 9. The Silent Valley National Park is located in A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Goa. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question number 10. Which river flows through a rift valley? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Narmada. D. Godavari. Correct answer is C. Narmada. Question number 11. The Indira Point is located in A. Lakshadweep. B. Andaman Islands. C. Nicobar Islands. D. Daman. Correct answer is C. Nicobar Islands. Question number 12. Which plateau is rich in black soil? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau. B. Malwa Plateau. C. Deccan Plateau. D. Meghalaya Plateau. Correct answer is C. Deccan Plateau. Question number 13. The Cardamom Hills are located in A. Kerala. B. Odisha. C. Rajasthan. D. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question number 14. Which is India's deepest river valley? A. Brahmaputra Valley. B. Dibang Valley. C. Narmada Valley. D. Chambal Valley. Correct answer is B. Dibang Valley. Question number 15. The Gulf of Mannar lies between A. India and Bangladesh. B. India and Pakistan. C. India and Sri Lanka. D. India and Myanmar. Correct answer is C. India and Sri Lanka. Question number 16. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Assam. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question number 17. Which river originates near Amarkantak? A. Krishna. B. Narmada. C. Godavari. D. Tapti. Correct answer is B. Narmada. Question number 18. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in A. Petroleum. B. Coal and iron ore. C. Gold. D. Limestone only. Correct answer is B. Coal and iron ore. Question number 19. Which is the largest river island in India? A. Diu. B. Majuli. C. Elephanta. D. Salsette. Correct answer is B. Majuli. Question number 20. Which state has the highest forest cover area in India? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh.